principle, we love the reggae music so bad. We love the reggae music. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia, straight to Ethiopia, home of the emperor. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia, straight back to Africa, home of the emperor, yeah. Reggae music is a foundation. Culture music made the people stay strong. Play the rhythm and me sing my song. Oh, what an inspiration. Me listen Peter Touch and Bob Marley. The type of music make you feel like rain. So me listen Deep Brown and mark my way. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia, straight to Ethiopia, home of the emperor. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia, straight back to Africa, home of the emperor, yeah. Me love the vibes that the music bring. Pass me the mic, make me dance and sing. My fans them love up my voice and thing. I will join with it. I will never give up on my career, no. So you can listen this message loud and clear. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia, straight to Ethiopia, home of the emperor. Music is like a visa. Travel Europe, Asia, straight back to Africa, home of the emperor, yeah.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle Live.